Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you guys here. It's great to be talking to you. Passion. Do you have it in your life, in your job? Is there something you are passionate about? And no, we're not talking about a 1980s Rod Stewart song either. The pandemic has prompted millions of people to examine the way work fits into their lives, especially how to do or have work that they're passionate about. As people continue to move around the great resignation, and it's not over, it's estimated that the record number of people that have left their jobs since the beginning of the pandemic shows no signs of abating. About 20%, that's 1 in 5 worker plans to quit their job by the end of 2022, according to one of the largest surveys of the global workforce. Although most are seeking higher salaries, 2/3 say they are seeking more fulfillment in the workplace. The therapist and author and podcast host, the amazing Esther Perel, says job seekers should keep it simple. Do something that you're interested in, she says. Now, today we're going to talk about this amazing woman, Esther Perel. And she says how to do this. And it's wise advice. So that's why I'm talking about this today, because it's an amazing subject. Check out her books, Esther Perel, podcasts. She's got TED Talks. She's just amazing, absolutely amazing. So check her out. You need to find something that you're interested in. Now that can feel hard to pin down when in the job-seeking market it feels like you have to pick your opportunities, and there may not be many. Or you might be starting from scratch and figuring out a new industry or a career path to explore. To find a new job that'll last, ask yourself these 3 questions to figure out what you need to do in a role for it to be interesting or to spark that passion. You need to find something you're interested in, and that can feel hard to pin down in the job-seeking market. It feels like you have your pick of opportunities. Or you might just be starting a new career path or starting from scratch or checking out a new industry, and you're looking for something to explore in those fields. To find a new job that'll last, ask yourself these 3 questions to help you figure out what you need in a role for it to be interesting or for it to spark passion. Number 1, do I want to learn by trying new things every day, or do I want to work on the same problem and become an expert on that central issue? Who do I want to work with to solve these problems? Number 3, do I want to work with or for a boss who will guide me and develop me in my career? And a 4th one for good measure. Who do I want my work to serve? Now, with that being said, I don't know if you need to have passion all the time, but you need it really to do what you like and to have something to look forward to. And it's going to be a big help when you do have passion. Now, understandably, we can see why people, especially young people, want their job to inspire passion. Work is often the center of people's lives, how they derive meaning in their day and how they build social connections in an era when people are starting families later on in life. People today are less likely also to be part of a religious group. But having high expectations to be passionate about your job isn't always realistic. It could even lead to burnout. Now, we live in a period of time where there is a tremendous mandate for happiness. You have to find meaning, belonging, purpose, self-development at work, and it's overpacked with expectations. Instead, people should acknowledge that finding meaning in work isn't always about producing. Now, if there are days that you find yourself saying, oh, yeah, I don't care about my job, for example, you could draw intrinsic meaning from the exchange of the work itself. A lot of people feel like Esther Perel. She says, I care about the fact that working enables me to feed my family or to send money to my parents who are abroad. Now, passion doesn't come in just one form. Sometimes the meaning is not intrinsic to what you do. It's to what you can do with the money you earn from what you do. That gives value to your work. So finding passion at work isn't always the ultimate goal, and to instead focus on finding a job that teaches you new skills, has room to grow and support your lifestyle. But most importantly, you should find the right teacher, because the most boring topic with a good teacher will become fascinating. Now, this information that we just talked about and having passion and how it's going to play in your life will be the best possible. You could help you to be the best possible version of yourself. Use these points we just talked about and be a successful you. If you're serious about changing your life for the better, creating your dream business, getting your dream job, and living the lifestyle that you've always wanted, then follow me. Let me help you. Let me show you how. I'm here to help. Your career will thank you. You can be a better you. Please let me know in the comments how you feel. Thank you for spending time here. You could have been anywhere else. Thank you, and make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another one of these awesome videos. Check out the links below, and remember about Clarusway.com. If you're looking for that six-figure income, you can go through their program in 6 to 9 months. You'll be able to get the skills you need to earn that six-figure income in the IT industry. There are thousands of jobs out there. Check them out.